Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft 0.17. So I will drag my icon and look at the bottom right. Yeah, don't mind my name. I just you already know my name. Yeah. So so we're gonna look at the new 0.17 update. What is this? Could not power stack successfully. Explore something new. Haven't tried this yet. Okay. Did it crash? Hello? Hi. Hello? Hello? Yeah. It's lagging very bad, so I'll be right back, guys. Okay. Still in this. Um, so yeah, I've been sick for 2 days. When I got home from school, I didn't feel right. So yeah, that's why I got sick. It's that then create. Can't wait to see what's new. Do you see that the top at the top? It's so tiny. Don't know what happened. What happened? Did it glitch? Oh. So let's look in the inventory. Ready guys? 3, 2, 1. No. Oh! Purple blocks. Yes. I I saw Fusion Droid's video, but I didn't watch it. Course, what's this? Fruit and course. Oh, I want to see the end later. So excited. Endermite. Shulker. What else? I'll set this up, guys. Excuse me. Wait up, guys. Technical difficulties. I know there will be the Elytra wings and the Ender Dragon head. Can't wait to see those. Oh, Endermite. Shulker. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, Ender Eyes, Ender Pearls. Elytra. Yes. Where's the Ender Dragon head? Let me guess. It's here. Yep. Ender chest. What's this? Ender Dragon head. Ender chest. Oh, the end crystals. Course fruit. Course flower. Where's that? Here. Why I can't place it? I'm just gonna put this in the item frame. Ender Dragon head. Yes. Elytra. Gotta build me some more. Yeah. Will it work? I'll just try something. Nah, not this one. This one. Yeah, it worked. Let me try to. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This update so just amazing, guys. It's just amazing, guys. but it's pretty laggy. Yeah. Not that. Why did I click this? Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. Don't mind this. Yeah. What about daylight there? Can I fly? How can you fly? Can't you fly? Let me try a lever. Where's the lever? Here. Dragon head so big. The moment of truth we will go to the end. No. Not working. Let's try at the back. In the PC version you can do that. Guys, did you know you can put armors in villagers? Just want to find that out. Yeah. Woo! Back we go. So awesome. The moment. Oh, and the rods. What else? And crystals. Didn't put that down yet. Did you put it down? No. I can't wait to go to the end, but gotta check before I go. Many new. Oh, new potions. Yeah. Okay, guys, got lazy to find the proper blocks. You know me, lazy, I'm CPE addict, as you know now, AG Hardy. But the last name is my father's name. What's that nurse? Is that a bird? It's a plane. No. New potions. New potions. Let's try the end now. Oh, I can't wait. Thank you Mojang for releasing the new update again. Will this work if I throw it? Nah. If you throw this, it will bring you to, what do you call, a stronghold. Yes, it worked. What? It's the new feature that I'm talking. Oh. You see this potion? See those? If you throw those, they'll do like aerial splash potion things. Why didn't it work? Why? Let me dig 3x3 holes. Wait. They fixed the bugs, so the water lava bucket thing. Wait. Be right back. Okay, now. Oh, it worked. Let's jump in. Oh, what's that? So where did we spawn? Right here. And we have a dragon. Wait for me. Oh my gosh. Why did you? Dear Dragon. Here it is. Dragon. It will disappear. Let me get the bow. Here's a bow. That's the boat. Where's the dragon? Settings. Did it reset my brightness? Apparently not. My brightness is so high. That was a fail. That was another fail. That's so. Just shoot this one. Guys, if you want my secret back, comment down below. Then if I'm not famous, if you want my secret, play. Comment down below or like this video. I know I will not get any likes, but even though like this video, if you want to see more this video, I did not continue my let's play series because it got stop it. So yeah. Oh, what did I just try? Stop. Stop, stop. If you fly away, I will fly. Diamond sword. Where is that big old fat dragon? There. I'll just wait here. Camp it out like a noob. Maybe shoot him. That was a lot. That was a fail. I'll be right back. When you get too close to him, he will throw you back. Is that a feature? He will not hurt. You will take fall damage. Not a luck shot. Takes a long time. Then I open it, I wake up, I'm done with my sick. I thought it's just the news, then no, it's really the update. Will Enderman drop Ender Pearls now? I hope you can go to the End kill Ender. Why can't you kill one? Good update. Mojang is being jump down. Yeah. Oh, credits. There's credits for the first time. Oh, that's my name. AJ Hardy. Yeah, my real name. Can you skip? This credit so slow. Oh yeah, guys. If you want to explore this update, I will not spoil some stuff for you guys. If you know this stuff, I don't play the PC but I know all the updates in the PC. Polar bears, the villagers. I forgot those names. They attack villagers too. Hey, AJ Hardy player of games. Yeah, that's my name. Skip. Yeah, I skipped. Then it lagged. It froze. There we go. Yeah, I love this new update. Um, that's all for it. Now I didn't see the NCT. Hopefully they will add that. And this was a fail. This portal. So yeah, see you guys. Okay, if you want to see more, I apologize. You cannot see more videos because sometimes I got a lot of assignments to do because sometimes school because I'm getting sick sometimes. So yeah guys, bear with me. You get more videos soon. Soon you'll get more videos. But not okay. But oh yeah, I can teleport. Yes, see ya.